Have you ever faced the frustration of trying to rewrite a file, only to find it filled with unwanted leading zeros? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to truncate and completely rewrite a file without those pesky zeros. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when your code doesn't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to clean up a file. You're not alone in this. Many developers have run into this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how do I truncate and completely rewrite a file without having leading zeros? They shared their code snippet, which included opening a file, truncating it, and writing new content. But despite their efforts, they ended up with unwanted 0 bytes at the beginning. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you truncate a file, it reduces the file size to 0, but doesn't necessarily clear out the existing data. If you then write new content, it can lead to those leading zeros if the file system doesn't handle it as expected. Let's break down how to avoid this issue. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this problem in the future. You won't want to miss it. To begin resolving the issue of leading zeros when truncating a file, the user should first ensure that they are opening the file in the correct mode. Specifically, they need to open the file in read and write mode without truncating it initially. Next, the user should read the existing content of the file before truncating it. This ensures that they have the data they need to rewrite the file without leading zeros. After reading the content, the user can now truncate the file. This step is crucial as it clears the file's contents without leaving any leading zeros. Finally, the user should write the new content to the file. It's important to ensure that the new content does not include any leading zeros. Fun fact, did you know that the first computer hard drives were the size of a refrigerator? And they stored less data than a modern USB stick. Technology has come a long way. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to truncating a file without leading zeros involves using the os.openFile function with the otrunc flag. This method opens the file for truncation and allows you to specify permissions. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always open your files in the correct mode and write immediately after truncating. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to truncate and rewrite your files without leading zeros. Remember, the right approach can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't forget to check out our bonus content on file handling.